What's going on, everybody? Welcome to today's video. We're going to do a little bit something different today, a little bit of a crypto style video. If you guys maybe like these type of videos, make sure you guys hit up that like button. We'll do more update videos like this. Also subscribe if you guys are new. Let's jump on into it. Let's not waste any time. Let's jump on into the Bitcoin charts. We got a nice little view of kind of New York over there. I don't know if you guys can clearly see it, but a little bit good view of New York over there. But let's jump on into it. What could Bitcoin be doing here? All right, in the next couple days, right? So we know we're following our blockchain backer fractal. If we actually jump on in to our blockchain backer fractal, what you'll guys notice here is we are currently at a big decision point on the blockchain backer fractal. Why is that, right? Why are we on a big decision point? Well, we're sitting right here, right? And if you guys notice, if we were to continue to follow our blockchain backer fractal, we would expect some volatility here over the course of the next couple of days, right? We would expect, if we were to continue to follow it, right? We could go sideways for another day or two, but if we were to continue to follow this fractal, what we would expect is a giant move to the upside here after a couple of days of consolidation, right? That's what we're sort of expecting. Now, we know there's a lot of things going on right now, right? There's a ton of things going on in the general world right now that could be throwing that fractal a little bit off, right? We obviously have this Russia-Ukraine stuff that we're sort of looking at, is that going to cause, some type of capitulation event back down to the downside? Or are we is that just going to be a nothing burger and we're sort of just going to look at it as like, all right, whatever, right? It's more fun that we've seen consistently over time, right? We don't really know, but if we look at our blockchain backer fractal, we would expect us to have a move up here over the course of the next couple of days. So make sure we're watching out for that. Now, if we were to just look at what our shorter term timeframes would look like, let's actually jump on into what our shorter term timeframes could look like here. Let's actually jump on in here and go back to our other chart here, which is basically just the 4-hour time frame chart. What you'll notice here is we did break out of a 4-hour falling wedge for Bitcoin. We actually did the same thing for Ethereum, which we were looking at in yesterday's live stream. We broke up out of this. Now, if we were to take what our technical target would be out of this falling wedge, it would be the top touch all the way up here. Now, we know we have other circumstances going on, right? But our technical target would be back up at the $44,600 level if this was to continue to break out. Now, if you notice here, right, the issue that we're sort of having at the moment, if we actually zoom in slightly here, we are coming up at a pretty big level, right? A pretty big level. And this is why we're maybe getting a little resistance at where we currently are. We're coming up on our previous support, which was right there, turning into resistance. The question is, will we be able to get back above that level? If we do, I think we have a pretty clear shot at 44,600. If we don't, well, it could be more of the same and more of the, us possibly coming down a little bit lower again, quite possibly, right? That certainly could be an option here. So let's watch those levels specifically here in the 4-hour time frame. We'll talk about it more on tonight's live stream. There's just so much going on right now, guys. There's so much going on with FUD. So much, actually good things going on too. We obviously got this crypto meeting with the Fed coming up, or with Biden, I should say, coming up at some point this week. I'm not sure exactly which day it is yet, but we should have that coming relatively soon too. So let's sit tight, all right? Let's watch what we do here, but there's good things going on, right? Let's watch this blockchain backer fractal. Still think it has potential to play out, but let's sit tight. Let's see if it plays out, and I think it will. All right, I still think it will. I told you guys, all of you guys that don't think it will, are gonna have to eat a damn sock. Gonna have to eat a damn sock on the stream next, whenever it does play out. All right, so I'll catch you guys later at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's when we'll be live over on the YouTubes. Hit the like button before you go. Smash the likes to a new all-time high, as MM Crypto would say, and subscribe.